Young Stunner, baby, what it is? I'm on the road to millions. A fly guy. Watch me swerve on the Atlantic in my yacht. I stay in my own lane, you hear me? I'm in my yacht on the Atlantic. Bitch, I get money. Stunner the planet. Lego man. Lego fan. Getting paper. Stunner finna expand. Peter Pan shit. Fucking all the fans, bitch. I'm here to just advance, bitch. Stop hating on me. This ain't no guitar. Bitch, I get paper. My leather's so soft. They call me Stunner, baby, cause you know you a boss. I go so hard, 745, boy, it costs. I'm riding on the holocaustic like it was a drastic. But I'm young 32, my nigga, yeah, draft pick. Got your bitch coming through, 23, my symbol, nigga. Like a Jordan sign, nigga, you know when I crumble, nigga. Yeah, you niggas talking, crumbling like buildings. Bitch, I get paper, cause young Stunner worth $1 million. Stop hating on me, this the motion, homie. Let's get this paper, I'm on my caper, homie. I'm from the town, you know where it go down. I'm getting paper, Stunner here right now. I'm the man with a plan, I'm the money machine. You niggas hating on me, boy, I'm on that money new team. I'm getting paper when I'm climbing up my caper. Yeah, you niggas just be hating cause the climate is just changing. I got this bitch, she coming through, yeah, she looking right. Can I touch up on them thighs, can I slide right? Yeah, girl, I know you going out cause it be tight. Getting paper, this is me, you see my diamonds bright. Vivid clear, nigga. Got my bitch, yeah, she wearing the Michael Kors. Stunner, this is me, could I afford it? Stepping up in court, they say it's dating. I told her, baby, you know you taking. Money motivation, nigga, this ain't nothing new. I'm on the new Atlantic, swerving in my Rover 2. Like this Jehovah Zone 3, they call it Rover. Chilling on the throne, nigga, sliding with the soldiers. You know this all over, the game is just beginning. Got your bitch, she coming through when she tell it, she say she spinning. I get paper, this is me, cause she love my style. So I just knock the walls down.